Right about now, I'm going to turn it over to Keisha Las Vegas. And you don't know, so the little dude going to step forward and going to call him out. 18-year-old youth produced by Jack Scarpia. You know what I mean? Put out a listening ears for this youth because of what? When we see Rummy and Virgo, when we see Chris Martin come forward and a step and a deal with it, and we hear this little youth right about now. Give the youth them with a positive message, some support. So Hellshire, help me welcome the first act of the night. And I yesterday I'm going to take my break. See? KevoyClarke. KevoyClarke.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's ensure that the artist, the selector has his rhythm. Alright? Thank you so much for coming out tonight. This means so much for so many parents who are out here just receiving some gifts from Clarendon Promotions. Please remember, support who supports your community. Even by spreading a good word, that helps as well. When you're on Facebook and Instagram, it's okay to just shout out and give a big up to Clarendon Promotions and all the excitement going into Christmas that he has planned for this community. Alright? Selector, tell me what's going on. Are we ready as yet? I want you to introduce yourself because I don't want to get your name wrong. I was told you're 18 years old. You look younger than that still, I'm not telling you. You look little younger, but here say your voice is great and has potential. And one of the greatest said that, you know, so we have to listen. Alright? So, introduce yourself to the crowd and let's hear what you have.
Alright, so everybody, my name is KevoyClarke. I'm going to sing a Tremont violin song.
We hear that! Hellshire, I want to hear about fire upon the talk tonight. 18 years of age. I wish we could have sing like him when I did 18. KevoyClarke, step to them one more time, my youth.
What is this world coming to? So many bloodshed and those people getting abused. It's hard to live in peace. Yes. Every tear so blood just a shed. We'll have to stand up to make the peace, so the death toll can decrease. Ooh, yeah. Things have to get better. Meditations have to come. Oh, yeah. Things have to get better. Meditations have to come. What do you gain from destroying another child? Oh, we're a woman have to walk in fear. Oh, remember, a woman is a mother. Why do you have to make her walk in fear? We have to stop the abuse, stop the big war, stop put the gun on the people, them head. If we not claim justice, things like this will never change.
Hold on. $2,000 pull up for that one there. Hellshire Park, what you say? You hear $2,000 pull up. Hey, you know say, then they know say you're hungry, you know have a bus here to go back. Just come here, me and tell you. Ready TV, Keisha, Las Vegas. This is how the vibe is going, you know what I mean? Hellshire Park, front of promotion. This is how we do it on the grounds of Hellshire Park. Come again, come sing the song there. $2,000 to sing out your show.
Oh, yeah. What is this world coming to? So many bloodshed and those people getting abused. It's hard to live in peace, oh yes. Every tear so blood just a shed. We'll have to stand up to make the peace, so that the toll can decrease. Things have to get better. Meditations have to come. Things have to get better. Meditations have to come. What do you gain from destroying another child? Oh, a woman have to walk in fear. Oh, remember, a woman is a mother. Why do you have to make her walk in fear? We have to stop the abuse, stop the big war, stop put the gun on the people, them head. If we not claim justice, things like this will never change. Oh, things have to get better. Oh, meditations have to come. Yeah. Things have to get better. Oh, meditations have to come. What is this world coming to? So many bloodshed and most people getting abused. It's hard to live in peace. Ooh, yeah. Every tear so blood just a shed. Oh. Girl, you're mine. Girl, you're mine. Oh. Girl, you're mine. You're one of a kind. I think about you every time. Every time, lady. Girl, you're mine. Oh. Girl, you're mine. When I see you in the morning time. you as my queen, baby. I see you as the girl of my dream. I can't believe that this is real. So let's just don't waste time. Oh, I see you as the girl of my life. So come we go have, come we go have, come we go have some fun. Come we go have, come we go have, come we go have some fun. Girl, you're mine. Girl, you're mine. Oh, girl, you're mine. You're one of a kind. I think about you every time. Every time, lady. Girl, you're mine. Oh, girl, you're mine. A woman like you with loyal love deserve my attention. I will take you to places you've never been before to show you the love that I have in store. And the love that I have for you is greater than you can imagine. And I'll be true to you as long as I have you, girl. Your sweet loving, sweet loving, sweet loving, sweet loving.
You know, say you're too bad. You say anytime you bust, make sure say you remember Hellshire Park. I remember me I tell you say it's like 2000 eh? By one bag juice more total shit. People, what is about KevoyClarke? If I go on, KevoyClarke, we don't want to sing off the album up here tonight. We want to reserve them. So thanks for listening, my son, yeah? Thanks a lot, yeah? Yeah, man, love, yeah? Yes, man, and so we treat you, see? So people, you don't know, so this is where I take my leave from the stage, from the promotion. Queen Kamala, you don't know anything, go quick cook. We say, no, if people pass when I take a quick look. So, you know, so Ready TV in the place. And the lovely Keisha Las Vegas is right over there. Listening, I tell you, like Silver Sands, oh my God. No, oh, she looks so good. So people, Hellshire Park, the show going to get cranking right about now. And of course, center stage, please welcome the lovely queen herself, Keisha Las Vegas.